Rookie of the Year, no question about it. Played back to center ice. Here's Kaprizov again, and he's in. Kaprizov. And now Kirill Kaprizov wraps it around, and he scores. And it's 3-1. What a move and what a shift by the soon-to-be Calder Trophy winner, Kirill Kaprizov. He is something else.
And that was real tough. That's two real tough plays there by the Coyotes. One was by Goligoski, just throwing it off the boards, giving it back to the Wild. The second one was the Michael Bunting. Didn't get that puck deep, turned it over, and it turned into two Kaprizov chances, and he's not going to miss a second one. Not this time. Darcy Kemper down and out, and Oliver Ekman-Larsson couldn't close off that near post. That is a big-time play by a big-time player there in Kaprizov, and his career is just getting started.